Okay, so we are going to go through the sounds, words, and sentences for Fundations Assessment for Unit 4. This is on pages 82 and 83 in your Wind notebook. We're going to write the sounds and words on page 82, and then the sentences, there will be 2, on page 83. You will see the numbers to let you know what should go where. So the first sound, sound number 1, ch, ch. Sound number 2, I, I. Sound number 3, all, all. Sound number 4, ah. Sound number 5, zzz. Okay, now we're doing the words. When you write the words, you must mark them. You lose points if you don't, okay? So, under the digraph, you're going to draw a line under any digraph. If there's a bonus letter, which means you've doubled a letter, you're going to put a star over top of it. All you have to do is draw an X with a plus sign through it. That's a star. And if it's a glued sound, and we only have one glued sound so far, you're going to put a box around it. Okay? First word, chill, chill. That was one of the words that we added to your octopus notebook yesterday. Once again, the word is chill. Word number 2 is lash, lash, like your eyelash, lash. Word number 3, puff, puff. Word number 4, fall, fall, like the season of fall. Word number 5, lock. In the sentence, did you lock the door? Lock. Okay, now go back, make sure that you've underlined all the digraphs, you've put a star above all the bonus letters, and you put a box around any glued sound. As I said, you lose points, so for every missing one, you lose a point. Actually, you lose 4 points. All right, we are on to our sentences. There are 2 sentences. I will repeat it. But if you don't hear it, you can always rewind or back up the video and watch it again. The first sentence, they will toss the ball to me. They will toss the ball to me. Don't forget about the beginning of a sentence and the end of a sentence. All right, again, if you don't hear it, you can always push the video back and listen again. Sentence number 2, your pack is a mess. One more time. Your pack is a mess. Okay, I hope you were thinking carefully about how to begin and end a sentence. And I'll look forward to having you take a picture and post it either on Seesaw or Google Classroom. All right, bye.